A warm welcome to you. Today for your Tahiti Dance Fitness class, we are going to learn the ARAPU. For my newbies, make sure to subscribe. So first check your posture, have your feet together, bend your knees like this, and keep your back straight at all time. Make sure to tuck your pelvis in a neutral position like this. Are you ready? Let's learn the ARAPU. The ARAPU is a circular motion that makes small circle in a faster speed than the AMI. It goes like this. Your knees are moving along with the circles and you must push that pelvis forward, break it forward. As you can see, it's creating a crease in the front of my belly, and you should see that circle when you're facing the audience like this. The power comes from the front part of your pelvis. Now we are going to train together. I want you to make fast circles with your hips to the right or the left, the most natural way to you. And we are going to go non-stop, okay? So let's go. Make a circle with those hips, move those knees, push that pelvis forward and backwards. Ready? Faster, non-stop, and go. Push those hips, fast, fast, fast. Keep going, non-stop, almost there. Yes, few more. Make sure to break that pelvis forward, as you can see. The ARAPU from the front. Few more seconds. Let's go, and well done. I hope you enjoyed today's training together. Comment below and come and join me for more classes, online or on site. See you soon.